Yellow Fishing Adventures. Today is Saturday afternoon. We're just about to head out, do some night fishing. Probably sitting at 80 to 100 metres of fishing, and yeah, see how we go. New rig there.
As we were travelling out, we ran over this wonky hole. It was about 10 k's off land. Every now and then, while heading out, we usually run over wonky holes or lumps and bumps in the middle of nowhere. I always recommend turning around and having a few drops of them. So that's what we did. You can see from the video here, always dropped a few lines. I didn't. I was just chilling out. I wasn't really going to fish yet. But you can see them pulling up a few nannies. They were pushing 40, 45 max. Usually these wonkies, I found they have one or two bigger nannies and the odd trout. If you did get a trout from these spots, that'd be a cracker trout. This spot here didn't seem to provide any of the bigger fish, and there were only smaller nannies, a couple husses and fugies, just your bait fish.
Hey, buddy, you're gonna be the star of my video, man.
Don't mind Hmong music playing in the background there too, eh?
No trout, let's go, man.
Yeah, one more.
Yeah. This is gonna be a star, bro. Constant, man.
The boys finally given up, so we started heading out to where we were meant to go. We weren't even there yet. We were probably a K off the mark. We started slowing down, scanning ground. We come across this lump. Screen lit up. And the boys were like adamant. Let's stop, let's have a drop. So that's what we did. We stopped, we had a drop. It wasn't a bad mark. We got a few fish off this mark.
Sure, bro.
double, mate. Smash it, right? You got, mate. I see him coming. Nanny. Red. Holy shit. Don't no more size. Don't know.
That red there, it didn't make the size. It was only 50. But it was good to know that there was reds there and they're biting. You can see the young fella down the back here. He ends up pulling up another one, but very, very small as well. So we didn't give up hope. We knew there was fish there. The box wasn't very full yet, so we were keeping a few spanglies, a few of the smaller nannies that were 45, 50. They're good eating too, but being a smallmouth nanny, you'd have to eat them straight away. Fresh is best.
Never fished this spot before. Let's see what we've got. Huge bang. Huge bang. There you go. Well, that's the red there, guys. That's the red. Not the target species, but it'll do.
That's one of my brothers, Pavu. He's not a fisherman, well, he's more of a pig hunter. He loves his hunting, shooting and that. But every now and then he'll come out, do a bit of fishing with us. This trip here, he got very, very lucky. Like, it was red emperor, red nanagod. He never caught a spangly, he never caught a grassy. That's what we were catching. Yes, donk of it there.
Yeah. Oh, you got lucky. Oh, red too. But sorry, mate, that's undersized, son. You let it go, mate. Oh, you're on. Mucho. Yeah, mate. Nice one, but undersized, so let it go.
not it. That's not it. Oh. Oh, market. Almost time for the electric grill, man. Oh, it's a bit grassy. Oh, it's a bit grassy.
As the afternoon started coming to an end, the tide started changing. You could see that we were still catching a few grassies and cods there, but nothing like how it was before. The fishing really slowed down, as you can see through the video there. We decided we'd move, some of the fish, or the fish from the kill pin to the box there, and then we made dinner, had dinner, and we decided we'll get to the spot we were meant to go to as soon as the tide started changing. You can see here in this part of the video, we've got a stonk of red. We just pulled up to the spot, dropped the lines down, forgot to turn the cameras on. Lucky mate, one of us wearing his GoPro. It was only on his chest, so he just turned it on in time. So you don't see me fishing it up. At least I know the spot still provides good fish. Yeah, it's probably been 3-4 years since I've gone back to this mark too, so it was really good that we did go back in, and we're still catching good sized fish from this mark.
Oh, fucking Lucky's line too.
Holy shit! What's that?
Yeah.
Fellow here is Lockie. He's 11 years old. Loves his fishing, but every trip that he can and tries to, he'll come out with like me and the boys, depending if the space available. He's caught big reds to big GTs, and he tries to fight them all by himself. You can see here he pulls up a cracker, multiple cod, drops up to him.
It's coming. It's coming. Holy shit. Oh yeah.
As we got later into the night, the young fellas, were tired, they went to sleep. Me and the boys, we decided we'll move out a little bit deeper. Here we were sitting at about 140 meters. We pulled out the electrics. It's hard fishing with normal rods at 140 meters and you're pulling big reds like this. After one of them, you're bugging. So the electrics do help out heaps.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh, it is. Oh, fucker. Fuck yeah. Fuck. Just so.
Sorry for the bad video quality here. I forgot to check if it was night mode or one day mode. But yeah, these were the better videos of the night. But heaps more fish were caught that night too. You know, reds, red throat, nannies. Yeah, the box started filling up. You could probably hear the electric rod. It was stalling out. Had a massive line. Great eating fish too, I reckon. But it was good to see these fish up in that 140 meter mark. We managed to snag 2 that night.
Holy shit! Number 1, we got red amberjack. No, this is a deep fight. Holy fuck! Oh! Okay, people don't know.
By this time, everyone was pretty buggered. You know, we had a few beers, we've caught plenty fish, and it was surprising to catch a jack at 140 meters of water. We decided to call it a night and went to bed.
Alright, we're just waking up. Gonna go look for hot fish.
We had a bit of breakfast, had a talk to the boys and that, the young fellas, the nephews and that. The box was full, so we decided we'll slowly punch back in, go home, you know, find some ground. If we do, we'll stop and pull up and have a fish and see what they hold in that. So yeah, we found like a few good lumps, but nothing special. See here, mate's got a spangle. Young fella's cheating them up saying it's a trout. But yeah, like we got a few hooked up a few spanglies. We let go. Got a few valleys at a few other spots. And then, yeah, we just did some more trawling. We ended up with 2 Spanish mackerels. So that was the highlight of the morning. And pretty much called it a night and day, really. And cruised home.
Yoke. Kamu comu ha, sampai Cina. Aduh.
If you've lasted this long into the video, I'd just like to say thank you for watching. Give us a like and subscribe, and hopefully this year I can put out more videos for you. I'm only just starting out. Wasn't gonna really make a YouTube that far. Figured, you know, why not? We record these videos for memories. If I put it on YouTube, or if I want to watch them, just go on there and watch it too.
Where's it?